Hello again, this is Delta Climber coming to you from Delta Climber Studios, Roblox, and Swordburst 2. I am here at the 2023 Halloween event, still going on, and I'm at the Wendigo meat grinder. I just wanted to thank everybody who came out to make this possible. If you are here, you're getting legendaries. I'm getting legendaries. Everybody is getting legendaries. And I just want to say thank you to all the viewers who came out and made this possible. Hope you guys are getting good drops. This seems to be the only way that you can AFK farm for legendaries at this event. So come on out if you're not here yet. But if you came out, I just wanted to say thank you, thank you, thank you. Until next time, have fun playing the game, but play it straight. Don't hack. You don't have to hack. Arrivederci.